Hey guys, so last video I showed you my new Zune smartphone gimbal. Now this thing is way cool, it's awesome, it's super smooth, but I don't have a little tripod to go on there. I mean, I've got a big tripod for my DSLR, but who wants to carry that thing around? And you know, for most things it's a little excessive. So today I wanted to show you on how you can make a DIY holder for either your camera or your gimbal here with just materials found around your garage. As you can see, I'm just in my filthy shop. So let's get to it. It's super simple, quick and easy, and probably not the best, but guess what? It's free. It'll get the job done. I'll show you. Yeah, I've got just a big old piece of wood that I just had sitting up in my rafters up there. I cut a little section off, you know, however big you want. I made it just a little bit wider for better stability. Cut it off, this is what it looks like. And then I'm going to take a 1/4 by 20 bolt, a little screw here, because that is the thread size for the tripods and for this gimbal. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this 1/4 inch bit, I'm going to drill a hole in there, and then I'm going to use a 1/2 inch paddle bit, and I'm going to drill into that to sink in the head of the screw. That way it sits flush. Now when you cut your wood, you're going to want to verify to make sure, you know, is it actually flat on both sides? Of this one, you can kind of see it's got a bow to it. So I'm going to make the bow, the upstroke of the bow there, I'm going to put that facing up. That way when I put it down on a surface, it's not wanting to wobble back and forth. I'll use this other side as the base. That way it doesn't want to rock on that bow there. So we're going to do that real quick. You see, if you leave it that way, then you've got that screw head that sticks up and won't allow it to sit flat. So then, jump over to the paddle. Screw in an indent. And this is where, depending on your screw length, you can adjust the depth of it. So we stick it through there. See, now it sits flush. And we've got a certain amount of thread sticking through. I could adjust that by how much I inset that screw. But this will be just fine. So now, see, we can sit flat, be out of the way, and to better assist you, you can actually glue that screw in there instead of having to use a screwdriver every time to tighten it in. You can just twist that into your camera or your gimbal. Simple as that. Set it on there and you've got yourself a quick, easy 2-minute thing for a tripod holder or a gimbal holder. And that's that. So as you guys can see, you guys are actually on one of these holders at the moment. And I just had you set up on a ladder up there, looking down. like I say, so I made 2 of these in just a few short minutes, and it works flawlessly. I'll show you guys what it looks like. There she is. Simple as that. Got the bolt coming through, sitting flush, and now it stands on its own. Versus before, as you saw with my review video, I was tipping that sucker over all the time because the weights were uneven, causing it to fall over. But with that now, it can stand on its own, be pointed wherever it needs to be, and it is, I mean, other than being on a wiggly board, it's pretty dang sturdy. Hope you guys like it, and if you want to see anything else like this as a DIY, let me know. See you guys.